Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well today. It is officially day 2 of the vlog at Della. We had a fantastic evening. We got some amazing food yesterday and we just crashed because we were just exhausted with all the walking and exploring that we did, including the traveling all day. It's been crazy hot of late, so that I think just got to all of us. Today is day 2 and today is a really special day. I'm really excited. I woke up really early in the morning and went out for a run and it was beautiful. I was running on the camp deck. It's really beautiful. The morning was nice and cold. There was a lot of birds chirping all over the place, and if you are somebody who enjoys nature, it's a fantastic place and you're going to love it. So today is really special because we all have just had our coffee. We're going to head down for breakfast now. I'm going to show you guys what the buffet in Della looks like, so stay tuned for that. And after that, we are going to the adventure park. We're going to be checking out a bunch of adventure activities that Della has in store for you if you come here, and this is one of Della's specialties. Let's not waste any more time and let's get into it. Okay, so we just made it down to the coffee shop area and we're going to get our first breakfast here. I want to show you what all they have here and hope you guys enjoyed this. Got some really nice breakfast. The spread was magnificently huge. We're now currently out exploring the rest of the property. This place is so big and they have music playing all around. We were just notified that the adventure park only opens at 11 o'clock in the morning. Something you should keep in mind for yourselves if you're planning to do this. You can't just get up in the morning and jump in and get into your crazy activities and action sports. You're going to have to take some time to chill, get some breakfast, and then you can head to the adventure park eventually. So we're currently standing in the middle of 2 different villas. The villas are an understatement. Each house is huge. It's magnificent. Living in the camp is a different experience, but if you're coming with a set of friends, it's definitely a good idea to check out one of these villas here. They're so grand to look at. You can only imagine what they are on the inside like. So we're currently filming this on the GoPro Max. The audio is from the GoPro Max. The lawn that I'm actually walking in right now is one of a kind. It is at the center of the villa resort. All the resorts are interconnected, so you can basically walk around. I'm filming this on the 360 camera so that you guys can see what this actually is like. We have the entrance on one side. We have villas 360 degrees around us, and this is a centralized lawn. So basically any villa that you stay in, you're going to have this view to support you. I'm pretty sure if you stay in a villa here, you're going to love the experience because it's like a little community of villas. It's really fantastic. But this time we're camping. We're not going to be able to do this, but maybe in the future. What do you guys think? Hit me up in the comment section. Would you like to see me come back to Della and stay at the villas and show you the insides? You never know. We might just do it. As you can see, each villa has a really nice warm entrance. A lot of woodwork in the architecture. A lot of greenery around each villa. Each villa is about 3 stories from what I can understand. Okay, this one looks like it's 4 floors. You have ample parking space outside your own private villa. It's luxury at its best here. It's really amazing. So I know a lot of you are probably thinking about Data, what the Data camp is. This is the Della Adventure Training Academy. It's basically a military base resort. This is a military camp and it's really close to Della. It's also owned by Della, but it's called the Data Resort. You basically have these military vehicles behind you. The whole experience includes coming to the reception at Della, getting into these cars and heading there. Okay, so behind me we have a bunch of cycles. If you're a part of the Della Adventure package, you can pick up any cycle and actually move around this entire space that you have here. And I think it's a great way to sit and explore. It's a fantastic option. So we just found out that a bunch of the activities, the extreme sports stuff that they have here is not part of the package that we have got. Our package is pretty much complimentary. Like I said, we didn't come here to go through any of the activities that they have because we weren't expecting it to be running. But we do have a couple of activities that we can do. So we're heading there right now. We just got our bands. Stay tuned. Okay, that was fun. Me and my dad both suck at shooting, but I think we did a pretty good job. So as you can see around me, we have a whole bunch of stuff. Behind me, we have the obstacle course. The obstacle course is basically an adventure course where you can run up and down, do vertical climbs. We have a cricket net in front of me and a VR cinema setup, which is right here. It's really nice. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you can actually do. हाय गोल्डी तो इनको रोज दौड़ाते हो Ragna, she takes care of all the horses in the stable. Okay, I have to admit, that was really cool. They have an entire stable here. They have about 10 horses in total. All these horses are taken care of. They go out for rides every day. And if you come to the adventure park, you can actually ride any of these horses. They all understand their names and they let you pet them and they're really well taken care of on the overall. I think they were resting right now, so they were not in the mood, but it's really well done. Okay, so right next to the stables we have the famous Parsi Dhaba. As we know, Della is owned by Parsi owners and the food at the Parsi Dhaba is going to be really special if you come here. With respect to decor, design, pretty fantastic. Really well done and it has that entire old school Parsi vibe with a slight touch of luxury to it, so that's the special part. So horses aren't the only beautiful animals that they have here at Della. They also have a little dog park where you can basically go and play with dogs and we're just going to check it out, so let's go in. Super friendly. Hi, good morning, baby. Good morning, good morning. So we haven't been able to pet any of the dogs yet because they're having their morning routine taken care of right now. They're taking their bath, they're being fed, but hopefully in a little bit of time I'll be able to play with a couple of dogs. Practically impossible to cover this place in 2 days. We came here to chill. We didn't really come here with the idea of, okay, doggies are angry. We didn't come here with the idea of getting into too many activities because we weren't sure if they're going to be open at this point or not. But clearly, doggies are ready to play, so we're going to try and do something right now. We're going to get a drink here and just wait for my mom to come down. She didn't want to do this whole adventure thing. She's only here for the luxury aspect of the vacation. Okay guys, so after the entire day we had lunch, we did a bunch of activities, and now we're doing this long downward walk from our room back to the adventure park because we need to get some work done there. Plus we want to go spend some time with the dogs because we absolutely love dogs. It's a beautiful track to walk down. We have a mountain on one side and we have the entire city of Khandala down on the other right hand side. Walking beautiful tracks like this in Bombay is pretty much impossible. You don't have a mountain on one side and a valley on the other, so we're really enjoying this. Okay, so that was a lot of fun. The little doggy wanted to go everywhere but back to her cage where we picked her up from. She was really excited. I think this is one of my favorite features that Della actually has, to be able to walk around this amazing theme park and be able to walk a dog with you. If you don't have a dog especially, it's an amazing feeling. This is Rashid. He plays violin here at Della Resort. What's up guys, welcome back to another day. Last night after we got done with our activities, we grabbed some dinner and we all just crashed. There was nothing more on the vlog for the evening because we wanted to take some time off away from the cameras, just chill and enjoy the vacation that we're at. This morning is the morning when we actually check out from here, so we have just packed up. We're gonna go get some breakfast and we're heading back to Bombay. I hope you guys enjoyed this travel vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing Della Resorts. Della is a fantastic property. It's been a great experience. No property is perfect, no place is perfect, so there are always a couple of hiccups which you can talk to the staff and work around, and the staff is extremely helpful. People here have been really great. Anything that we pointed out, they took their feedback, worked on it, they got things sorted, and overall the camping experience is one of the best luxury camping experiences that you can have in the country today. So do check it out. Take your precautions when you're doing any of the activities here. Keep that in mind because COVID still exists. Wear your mask. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we're going to get back into the travel aspect of the vlog. We're going back to Mumbai today, so stay tuned, but breakfast first.